Hi, in this video we're going to show you a nice tool you could use to create reports from specific folders on your computer. So it's called Folders Report by NirSoft. So they make a lot of nice tools and they're all free for the most part. So after you download it, there's nothing to install. You just extract the zip file and run the executable like so. You notice a lot of their software is kind of dated looking, but it still works perfectly fine in newer versions of Windows. Alright, so you just need to select the folder you want to scan. So let's browse to, let's say, Documents, for example. Click on Scan. Alright, so now it shows all the folders within the Documents folder. And then you have the size of the files, the size on disk, how many files, and it also shows hidden, compressed, read-only, system, and then folders. So this shows 8 folders in there, created date, modified date, and the level. Then of course you could sort as well. So if you want to have the largest one on top, obviously the whole documents folder is the largest folder. Then the next one down is this scan documents folder. And you can see this has 7 files within it, with one of them being hidden. Then if you come to the view menu, you have some option for displaying it in bytes, kilobytes, and megabytes. And if you click on tree mode, that'll kind of expand everything so you can see what's going on there. And then there's also this option here to include subfolders in the totals. So let's say we look at confidential files here. Right now it's 1.85 megabytes. But if we turn this on, then it's 6.58 megabytes to show the totals of the subfolders as well. And if you want to choose the columns, which ones you want to see, you could come here and do that if you don't need to see all of them to kind of give it a little cleaner look. Then you could come up here and create a report, horizontal or vertical. So you notice this just did it on the one that was selected. So if you go select all, then you'll have everything like this. And let's check out what the vertical version looks like. Kind of breaks it down here into separate little blocks. And then you could save the selected items as a report. Here's your select all. If you want to do a new scan, so let's say we did the entire C drive, for example. This might be a little messy. You can see here it's taking a little bit of time to do so because it has to go through all the subfolders. Alright, so I actually paused the video so you didn't have to watch it scan everything because it took a few minutes here. Alright, so now we have everything on the C drive. So for this, we might want to turn off the tree mode. Alright, so then if we sort by size here, we get a nice breakdown of what's going on with our entire C drive here. Number of files and so on. Alright, so as you can see, it's a pretty simple tool, but if you are just wondering what's going on with the folders on your computer, trying to find where your large files are, this is a real quick way to do so. Alright, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download Folders Report and you can try it out for yourself. Alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.